While these velvet dining chairs are incredibly elegant, are they comfortable to sit in for long periods of time? And do the gold legs scratch up easily? I wanted to do a review video today on these chairs so you can feel more confident when you're purchasing. Now, first of all, packaging, phenomenal. It is definitely a heavy box because these chairs are relatively heavy. But the nice thing to that too is they do hold up to 300 pounds. So that is a plus. Second thing, assembly. Wow, this was so straightforward, very easy. You don't need any tools. They have them in the box, so you are good to go there. And lastly, comfortability. When it comes to having nice furniture in my home, I love the aesthetic. I love the style of these chairs, but I'm always hesitant to buy things like this because I'm afraid they're not going to be comfortable to sit in. And as chairs, we need them to be comfortable. These have a nice padding in the seated area and they don't angle back too far. I felt really comfortable using them. And in fact, I put them in my living room. We have a big family. We have a lot of people that come over regularly. And so we needed more space in there anyways, but you could also use these as like a breakfast nook dining table, or maybe even perhaps at a bar in your kitchen. But my personal opinion, I really love these. I love that there's a handle on the back of this too, so it's easy to pull in and out. There's padding on the bottom of the chairs, making it easy to drag across the floor. You don't have to worry about it scuffing. Easy to assemble, took me less than 10 minutes to do. So if you are on the hunt for a new set of chairs, I would strongly recommend taking a look at these. And one more thing before I forget, they are very easy to clean.